Hello sir, this is our app GH Listing, and in this video we are going to show why we need the location background permission. This is the user app and this is the driver app. In this app, the driver app is a taxi driver app. So to let us receive the new notification for booking, we need the location background permission so that the taxi driver can receive the booking even when the app is closed or not in use. If we do not take location background permission, then our taxi driver will not receive notification for booking if the app is closed. And now let me show you how taxi booking works in this app. So let me open the user app and driver app. So this is the driver app credential. We have already added it in your Play console. Kindly check, or you can also mail us. Now I log in. And you can see location permission. GH Listing app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that the driver can receive new notification for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed or not in use. So if I click on next and if I don't allow it, you can see the application will not go ahead. If I click on it and not allow, the application will not go ahead. And now I will need to remove the application from my listing like this. So here you can see if you don't give the location background permission, the application of driver will not go ahead. If I click on next now, you can see the permission is denied. So that is why the application will not go ahead. And let me clean it from the history and try again. So now we are again opening the driver app, and this time we will give the location background permission and we will see what will happen. GH Listing app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that the driver can receive new notification for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed or not in use. Now I click on next and I click on allow GH Listing driver to access this device location. It's again saying background location permission. GH Listing app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that the driver can receive new notification for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed or not in use. Next. Now it is saying me location permission. I need to click on allow all the time. Remember, if I don't click on it, the application will not go ahead. It's again showing me GH Listing app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that a driver can receive new notification for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed or not in use. I click on next. Location background request. GH Listing app collects location data to make driver available in your area. So here you can see we have clearly mentioned why we need the location background permission. And now let me book a taxi and show you how the taxi booking works. This is my user app. And I'm making a taxi booking now. So now I click on basic taxi. Right now I'm removing the driver app from history so that we can receive the background location. That is what we are taking the permission for, background location permission. And I make a booking on the user app. That is how I make a booking. And you can see searching for driver. You can see a driver has received the notification to accept the new booking here. And that is why we need the location background permission, so a driver can receive new taxi booking. And you can see here a driver has received a loud alarm notification. So this will not come if we do not take the location background permission. Now I accept this booking. And that is how taxi booking works in our app. Now the driver is accepting the booking. And yeah, you can see the driver assigned to your trip 100%. And now the taxi driver will open his app and go ahead to the customer location. You can see. So let me again open the driver app for you. This is the driver app. And this is the booking he just got. Now I will click on arrived. Like this. So like this, now you are on the track. And now he will click on start trip. And the trip has been started. This is the user app. This is our driver app. Now the driver will end the trip. And yeah, that's how taxi booking works in our app GH Listing. And that is why we need the location background permission in the app. For more, if you have any other queries why we need the location background permission or anything, you can message or you can mail us. Thank you.